I mean, knockback, pushback, repelling strike, whatever you call it, is a very common call in many, many LARPs. At Fields of Illusion, we call it knockback. It's a very useful skill, able to move someone away from a position of advantage, or even into a position of disadvantage, controlling the battlefield. And at Fields of Illusion can mean the difference between life and death. Upon receiving the call, you are to be repelled at least 10 foot away from the person providing the call. Knockback. This is in a direction away from the caller. Some visual measurement of 10 foot can be provided at the beginning of the event, but should you ever doubt during a heated combat, remember that the average player is at least 5 foot tall, so 2 players' worth is more than enough distance. Please do take into consideration of your surroundings. This call does not mean that you have to dive into an unpleasant bush or bump into other players. Most commonly at Fields of Illusion, the knockback call will be delivered by striking an opponent with a weapon. If that weapon hit is on a hit location, such as an arm or the torso, you will also take a point of damage to that location, as O'Reilly here did take a point of damage from that strike.
Bleeding hurt.
If you were to strike the weapon or the shield, you can still deliver the knockback call, but you will not be dealing damage. Knockback. After the parry skill, you are able to negate the effects of the knockback if it strikes your sword or shield, providing that you're able to use it. You call parry and completely ignore the effect. O'Reilly here does know the skill parry.
That I do.
Knockback. As you see, it didn't affect him. However, parry can only be used if the strike was to a weapon or your shield. A hit location cannot be parried. Knockback. Spell casting with the knockback call is slightly different. First off, you won't be requiring a weapon. You can spend your required amount of mana. You need to get the attention of your target. Hi, O'Reilly.
Oi.
And also, you need to provide a minimum 5-word incantation. O'Reilly here has a very large shield.
I'm prepared this time.
Now, because a spell isn't a weapon strike, it doesn't deal any damage to a hit location, but also completely circumvents any shields or swords being held, and therefore cannot be parried. So, with the Fusbro Da, knockback.
Don't be afraid to add flair to the way you knock back. It can add excitement for yourself, for the person who knocked you back, for everyone else around. Don't be afraid to experiment and try some new things. Here's some examples. Knockback. That was satisfying.
Come on.
Power of the Fey, knockback. On the power of the Fey, knockback. On the power of the Fey, knockback.
I can see the thing. Knockback. Knockback. There's a wall. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Knockback.
Whoa.
Flapping mass knockback.
Oh, fuck.
Knockback.
Whoa.
He doesn't like you, does he?
Unnecessary.
Knockback.
Do it, try, lean out.